Steady. We have off. We have a little blackbird that is not so afraid of dogs, apparently. Hey, off. Apparently, so we're gonna just keep practicing. Steady. Off. Good. It's 7 off. 7 a.m. in the morning. I don't have a whistle with me though. Steady. Off. Off. Nee, off. Good. Come by.
I'm just gonna add some things here. You can see that her herding behavior is becoming a bit more like a hunting behavior. It is almost the same thing, yet we want the one and not the other. So you see, she's not really listening at me, as she's more hunting than herding now. What makes it that she's not really hearing me, or maybe does not want to hear me. So we will have to set that back a little bit, obviously. I mean, if she is not 100% obedient during training or work, I have to be a bit strict, because I cannot afford her to take the lead during training or working or whenever, as I could be a danger for her or us or other animals and humans. We are training, or in a way working, and yes, we work together, but it is me that is at the wheel, period.
Off. There it goes. Well, yeah. There it goes. It's still on the grass. Okay. Hier, Pixie. Af. Af. Terug. Terug. Goed. Goed. Steady. Steady. Up. Good, so. I'm gonna try to do the away again. Away. Away. Good. Off. Off. Steady. Off. Good, so.
Just watch her closely now. Her focus is wonderful, but you see her still smuggling forward so much. We definitely still have to work on that a lot. But hey, we'll get there.
Off. Good. Hey. Good. Steady. Steady. Off. Good, so. Like, nee, af. Terug. 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 Ja, af. Goed zo. She smuggled. Af. She smuggled for like a little bit. Like, see, it's gonna start raining. Steady. Af. Good. Good. Come by. Hey, hey, come by. Off. Off. I don't know if the come by and the away is gonna work on one bird though. So maybe I should. Lean. Terug. Terug. And it's off. No, it's not off. Steady. 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 Af. Ja, af. Steady. Af. Goed. Huh? Kom hier. Ja, dat flinke meidje. Huh? Pixie. Look at